I want to welcome everyone to another episode of Generational Investor. It's your guy, Coach Flo. And if you're new to the channel, hit that thumbs up button, hit that like, hit the subscribe. I want to welcome everyone. And family, friends, if you have co-workers, anybody and everybody that's looking to invest in themselves, this is what this channel is all about. This channel is to inform everyone, it's to make an impact in what's going on in today's climate, what's going on in today's society. Okay, I want you guys to start to see and pay attention. This is a critical year, and I'm going to continue to keep on preaching about it. I got a list of stocks, a list of crypto. All right, we got stocks mixed with cryptos today. And without further ado, the first one I want to talk about is Apple. Okay, Apple, all you Apple phone users. Hey, like I always say, if you have an Apple phone, you should get some Apple stock. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor for you to buy wholesale, but want you to be informed, want you to do your due diligence and consider investing into Apple. All right, so Apple, of course, I have a few shares myself. Continue to dollar cost average with these shares, $10, $20, and just continue to add on to my portfolio. So with Apple, the time it's recording is sitting at $182. Okay, and so I look at Apple as always a buy. It's always a buy, and at these range, this is definitely a buy and something to look at and keep on your watch list. Going into next month of March, they have this March event that is going to reveal the next iPad, next MacBook, and also the iPhone color. So with that callus of news, Apple is going to move in a steadily up trajectory, per se. Apple is, like I said, it's a banker. It's a long-term hold for me. I'm not trading Apple. I'm not selling Apple. I'm wanting to continue to buy this thing because Apple is going to continue to be on the move. It's innovative. It's worldwide, and I believe that's something that everyone should add in your portfolio. Okay, and to the next stock is Tesla. At the time of this recording, it's sitting at $199. All right. What's been going on in Tesla? You already know Elon Musk, whether you love or hate him. All right. Tesla, the SpaceX is now incorporated in Texas, is moved from Delaware. Okay. And also the Cybertruck, they released that, and it's been having some kind of issues with, they said, the material, and they're saying it's starting to kind of rust a little bit. But in all, I look at Tesla as a buy, and definitely continue to dollar cost average into Tesla because it's very advanced and it's forward thinking. Okay, it's forward thinking. I might not agree with everything Elon Musk does or says, but at the end of the day, Tesla is a money making machine. If you know anyone, if you look on the highways, there's Teslas everywhere. And when there's Teslas everywhere, there's charging stations. Those things are correlation. Okay, they're very coordinated. So Tesla's definitely a buy for me, and sitting at $199. Like I always say, you can fractional shares as little as $5. Okay, $5. Okay, and if you don't have $5, you got $1. All right, so Tesla is definitely something to add to your portfolio as well. And that's why I continue dollar cost average. Moving on to Microsoft. All right, Microsoft is sitting at $406. What's been going on with Microsoft lately? Microsoft will bring 4 Xbox games to other companies' consoles, which are Nintendo and PS5. So Nintendo and Nintendo Switch and PS5. Shout out to all you gamers out there. All right, shout out to you gamers. All right, so Microsoft is definitely a buy, and I continue to dollar cost average in Microsoft as well. And as I prepare for my next video, Microsoft is definitely in that AI conversation. Okay, Not to mention, Microsoft is one of the biggest. Bigger than what? Apple, bigger than Amazon, bigger than, yes, Microsoft is definitely one of the biggest companies. Right? We're talking about $1 trillion. And with Microsoft and AI, and you already know how I feel about AI. We'll talk about that more in my next video, but AI is the next revolutionary and revolutionize, I would say, thing that's going to really shake the world. Okay, it's really going to shake the world going in the rest of this year and definitely going into next year, 2025, 2026. All right, so definitely Microsoft should be on your watch list. And then there's Google. All right, Google is sitting at the time of recording $142. All right, Google, what's been going on with Google? All right, Google has announced Gemini 1.5. This is an improved AI training model. Okay. 1.5, so I want to say there's an upgrade. They probably had a 1.3, 1.4, and so they moved on to 1.5. And so Gemini is looking to be that next open AI, because with AI have all these different companies that is jockeying for going to be the head honcho for the upcoming industry. Okay, so definitely Google. We already know what got the Google search. You have YouTube. Google owns a little bit everything and definitely has tapped into that artificial intelligence space, and it's only going to get even more advanced as developers continue to work on upcoming projects. So watch out for Google. I'm looking at Google to move in the right direction and continue to make us money. All right, Amazon. The time of this recording is sitting at $170. What can you say about Amazon? Well, the richest Jeff Bezos sells more than $2 billion, and I do mean with a B, in Amazon stock for the third time this month. And also, Jeff Bezos moved from Seattle to Miami to help save on his stock shares. Okay, save on his stock shares. It's actually going to save him, according to this article, save him hundreds of millions in taxes, because we are getting in tax season if we haven't already started tax season. So it's going to help him save in taxes in the sales share. We're talking about $3 billion. I mean, that's crazy. $3 billion worth of Amazon stock, and that's the power of owning stocks. That's the power of owning assets. Talking about just accumulating shares over time. Just imagine what could you do with not just a bill, but a meal. Okay, I mean, it was one thing to have a meal, but what would you do with a bill? That's crazy amount of money. Okay, so I want you guys to start thinking of visionary, right? Visionary, seeing yourself. You got an opportunity to make this kind of money, hundreds of thousands of dollars. What would you do with that? Would you blow it? Or would you already have a plan in place so when the opportunity comes, you know what to do with it? Because that's what's going to separate the wealth and the haves and the have-nots, okay? And as we switch into crypto, y'all know how I feel about crypto, okay? You know how I feel about crypto, all right? Just like these stocks, I like these cryptos. And so the time is recording, Bitcoin is sitting at 51,944, and Bitcoin is starting to steadily move in the right direction. I mean, it is moving. And you know the key catalyst. That's the countdown. We sitting on the countdown. I'm gonna continue to keep talking about it until we finally approach this, and which is what? The Bitcoin halving. That Bitcoin halving is going to go. It's going to go to that next level. All right. And all the crypto mining stocks I've been talking about, and I might just do a video on it, from Riot to CleanSpark to Mara, Hut 8. There's so many crypto mining stocks that's out here, but my main three: Mara, Riot, CleanSpark, okay? And I just added on HUD 8 to my portfolio. Those are going to make us money, and anybody who has crypto mining stocks is going to make a lot of money, because when Bitcoin goes up, the crypto mining companies are a correlation to Bitcoin. It does not have to do with any type of earnings. It does not have to do with any type of sales. This is correlated with Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin drops, the crypto mining companies stocks drops as well. But I'm in it to this Bitcoin happening, so that's why I continue to accumulate and dollar cost average, because I'm definitely looking to make bank on the Bitcoin happening. Once the Bitcoin happen, I'll sell and rinse and repeat and see if I decide to get back in. But definitely, I've been buying these Bitcoin Bitcoin mining stocks. All right, and those three: Mara, Riot, and CleanSpark. And definitely looking to see how much money I can make off of that. Now, I'm a long-term investor, but I'm going to trade those crypto mining stocks for sure. So you can swing some stuff, I'm swinging those. And then let's talk about Ethereum. All right, Ethereum at the time of recording is sitting at 2776, and the things about Ethereum, or Ether, some people call it, there's an upgrade that already taken place last week, and it went well. And so, knowing that good news is going to get the green light in March to finally get passed on the DeFi and the blockchain. Okay, all these two things are correlated: DeFi and the blockchain, and it's part of the Ethereum network. And keep your eyes on May. May seems like not just only it's a good month, but it's a lot of things that's going to transpire in May. Okay, from April to May, watch out for crypto, and specifically Ethereum possible ETF. They are saying May could be around May 23rd, sometime late May, that they're going to push, just like they pushed the Bitcoin ETF out. Ethereum is the next one they're looking to push it out, and when they push it out, watch the price go up. And we talking about between 4 to 5K, and I can't wait to see that happen, because I'm long term. I don't look to trade, I don't look to sell. Definitely Ethereum. That is something I'm finna sit on and wait to really see my money multiply. Okay, so Bitcoin, Ethereum are the two cryptos that I am really bullish on. Now, the other cryptos, I do have my portfolio as well, and I have said in previous videos about those, and I'm excited about those. But these two, when they go, these other cryptos, also known as altcoin season, will start. But that's going to be at a later date sometime this year. But these two, these are the ones, they're like the S&P and the Dow, okay, in the stock market. The S&P and the Dow go hand in hand. And there's a lot of money to be made. And I want you to be a part of making this money, this life-changing money. Stop sitting on the bench looking at everyone make this money when you can be a part of it. Whether you got $1, $5, $10, $20, or $50. Because every day, things are changing. And as we get later and later into this year, things are getting changing as we speak, and they're getting weirder and weirder. And I want you, if I can say anything else, stay prayed up, keep focused, and also continue to stay vigilant, around here. Continue to be vigilant around here as well, because there's a lot of things that's going on, and you got to be safe out here, if I can say anything else. But also, as I always say, invest in yourself, okay? Who better than you to invest in, okay? Who better than you to invest in? And we all are looking to continue to get out of this rat race. We all looking to pass this generational wealth, all right? So long to being stagnant and being put down and continue to be in debt and struggling and be in poverty. This is not the time. It's time to rise up. Tap into your focus, tap into your dreams, and there's no place you can't go. I appreciate you for stopping by. Hit that thumbs up. hit that like, hit that subscribe, because like I always say, don't let no one tell you what you can't or can't do, because it can happen through who? You. See you in the next one.